Gonna be two sections in the video. One's gonna be taste testing, and then one's gonna be the ranking, which one's the best and which one's the worst. I have a feeling I know which one's gonna be the worst. What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, other than the monkey video. So I'm doing something really different. I'm doing a mukbang, whatever that is. I got it suggested by Chicken Consumer. I'll show his channel. So I have Monster Energy. My sister got it for me. And I have a Hershey Pop Rock thing, 4th of July. And then I have guacamole Tostitos. So, yeah, I'm gonna get the drink first. Finally, okay, I'm gonna try it out now. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, it is ruby red flavored, whatever that is. This is also a food review, but I'm not gonna eat this. You can taste the energy, if that makes sense. It tastes overall pretty good. It tastes like Prime, that one drink. It tastes like yeah, Prime. It's pretty good. Like, I would drink this if my mom didn't get mad at me. She's gonna get mad. But yeah, it's pretty good. I would recommend it if you're an energy drinker. But try not to be an energy drinker because it's not very good to be an energy drinker. I'm yapping. Okay. So the next one is the Hershey's Pop Rock thing. This sounds really good. I think it has sprinkles in it too. So this is what it looks like. It has Pop Rocks and stuff in it. Okay. I heard a pop right there, just taking a chunk off.
Yummy!
I don't know. Hold on. I need to watch this thing. That's good. It's like the cookies and cream. If it had Pop Rocks, I can still hear the Pop Rocks. Overall, that's some good chocolate. It doesn't taste like Hershey's though, but it's good. I'm definitely gonna be eating this. Okay. Actually, it has a weird aftertaste. Okay, so this is Tostitos with a hint of guacamole. I might put some salsa. Here, I'm gonna go get some salsa. All right, I got the salsa. Now it's time to eat it with the chips. I'll have one bland without any salsa, and then I'll try it with the salsa. It's not very good. It's not very good. Okay. No. I'd rather have a normal tortilla chip. Okay. I'll try with the salsa. This better be better. That's good. tastes like a Frito. Like one of those barbecue Fritos. Like I like the barbecue Fritos, but they don't. I don't think it belongs. I mean, they're all right, but like the salsa makes it way better. I can tell the salsa carries. I'm gonna have to give it a no. Right, so now I'm gonna be ranking it best to worst. So I can tell from my taste buds, they're saying this is the best. This chocolate, very good. The second best, the Monster, is a good drink, but very unhealthy. And my mom doesn't like me drinking it, but it tastes good. And then the worst, berry. It's a tortilla chip. So if I were to rank the flavor on the chart, I would say that this chocolate, solid 9. It's good. This, 7.5 is good. But my mother does not like me drinking it. I'm gonna drink it as fast as I possibly can so she doesn't know that I drank it all. Okay, so then these, they taste like barbecue. Solid 3.5. They don't taste like tortilla chips. It really threw me off guard when I was like, that tastes like a Frito. So, overall, chocolate's the best. Fritos are the worst. Or, Tostitos are the worst. Okay. Thank you for watching my first mukbang, if I'm ever gonna make another one, or food review. It's not even a mukbang. Chicken Consumer, go look at his YouTube channel, because he gave me a recommendation to do this, even though he doesn't have any food content on it. He just has like Fortnite. He has one video and it's Fortnite. But go look at his YouTube channel because it's really interesting and funny and stuff. Thank you for watching my video.